Masechet Berachot, Perek Vav, Mishnah Chet. Achal te'enim, anavim, v'rimonim. If a person ate figs, grapes, or pomegranates, mevarech acharehen shalosh berachot. Then he would say beracha after it of shalosh berachot. Divrei Rabban Gamliel. Now this means, these are of course the part of the fruits that are the 7 fruits by which Israel is praised. And Rabban Gamliel is saying that they get a special 3 berachot, which means Birkat Hamazon. Birkat Hamazon has 3 blessings that we have. That's biblical, which is Hazan et HaKol, and then Ala'atz V'Alamazon, and then Bonei Yerushalayim. And then Hatov HaMeitiv is a rabbinic that came later. So there's really 4 berachot, but it's known as the beracha of 3, because it has 3 really that was biblical. So that's what Rabban Gamliel is saying. Because these fruits are part of the paragraph that the Torah says, V'achalta v'sabata u'berachta, that you should say Birkat Hamazon. It talked about the chita and seorah and gefen and te'ina and all these 7 fruits. So that's why he links it and says, even this, when you have obviously enough of it, you're going to say Birkat Hamazon. Now, v'chachamim omrim beracha achat me'en shalosh. The rabbis say you only do 1 beracha, that's me'en shalosh, which is a beracha, which is an abridged form of all 3, which is the ala mechya. Of course, it's not ala mechya when you're saying having the fruits, so it'll be ala perot. But that's the idea that the rabbis say you would say that on these, and really only bread. You have the pasuk would only be going on bread because it talked about lechem right before it said v'achalta v'sabata. So that's how they hold how the pasuk is explaining it. Now Rabbi Akiva Omer, afilu achal shelek v'hu mizono. Even if you had only cooked vegetables, and that's your meal, your sustenance, mevarech acharav shalosh berachot. Then even on that you would say a full Birkat Hamazon. Now he holds that the pasuk is not linked to anything. It just means when you're full, no matter what, you uberachta, then you should say the beracha Birkat Hamazon. So this is a 3-way machloket of beracha acharona, basically. Hashotem mayim litzma'o. Now we go to a first beracha. If you drink water to quench your thirst, we know that's a rule right there. You have to want the water, and it has to be that you're thirsty for it in order to make a beracha. Just to take a pill or even to hydrate, you don't make a beracha on water that you're not thirsty for. Omer shakol niyabed baro. You say shakol like we know. Rabbi Tarfon Omer, Rabbi says, however, he says, Boren nefashot rabot. He says to say that Hashem makes many souls and v'chesronan, and what they're lacking. And then, of course, he fills it. So we have this as our beracha acharona, even though Rabbi Tarfon meant this to be for the beracha rishona. Of course, not how we hold, but you see this, again, 2-way machloket of drinking water or other liquids.